Hey, what's up YouTube? So right now I just woke up a few minutes ago, like 1 o'clock, and I have work today at 5 p.m. till 12 a.m. and right now I'm heading out to the Children's Gasparilla Parade. I didn't plan on going, so that's why I woke up so late and my battery kind of charged. We're just going to get a few shots and walk around, hang out, see what's going on, but driving is going to be a Alright, so I'm now at the Children's Gasparilla Parade. It might be hard to hear because of the wind. It's very windy today. A lot of stuff's going on. And parking, I found a little spot, and I don't know if I had to pay or not, so let's hope my car's still there, or not ticket or anything. So yeah, I'm only out here for a few. And so far it's a nice day, so hot. You smell sunscreen, you smell hot dogs and all that, like a fair. It's always a great time out here. That's actually someone's front yard with like bouncies and a party going on, food trucks and all that. It's pretty cool. And this thing right here costs about $5. I don't think it's worth it, but stuff down here is gonna be kind of expensive. And right now I'm gonna go out and try to find food because I haven't ate anything today. I knew I wouldn't be able to finish that. It's just, I think it's so sugary and that I need a liquid like a water, lemonade, or a Coke. And I know that's sugary, but like, I mean, I need a liquid. But I just need to get food and drink. Then I'm gonna cross over and just walk around. But yeah.
So don't worry about the bullhorn. I guarantee you, them cannons going off and them floats when they go by here, and that loud drum.
Using tickets costs more money. That's not fun. Their lemonade is really good though. And they got a drone guy, what it looks like, and they're set and ready. Pretty fancy, huh? See, I'm not the only one out here with cameras and gambles and all that. I mean, I don't have that big cage gamble yet, but I'm not the only one. Well, the parade has started and the police are starting it out. Then it's going to go down to the floats and pirate ships and all that stuff. And I have work to attend, so I'm going to work my way back to my car and kind of watch the parade and all that, because I don't know how parking is for work. I gotta be there on time, so I want to see how that goes. what I call military. And here's the SWAT. I think that's the mayor. No way! Look at this! Let's put my hand out. Let's do it. Look, that's my school. That's my school. That's my favorite song by our school. It's our plant's anthem, kind of.
Come on back if you ever try again. I done told you once, you son of a bitch, I'm the best there's ever been. He played pound down on the
Oh no, that's too far. Who's gonna get me? Who's gonna get me? Who's gonna get me? Who? Oh no, no. Broken one. This is so fun, but sadly I have work today. I wish I could call it off. I haven't been to the parade in 2 years because of work. No.
Come on, let me see ya. Put your hands up.
Astronaut! Woo!
Come on, let me see ya. Put your hands
NASA. Woo! Hey, Darnie.
Slide to the left, slide to the right. Let me hear you clap your hands.
Whoa. Nope.
Cha-cha now.
Move!
To the left.
Whoa.